So on this Sunday, when we are doing the live webinar, Chavan announced that we have added peer comparison over here, and it has some very, very unique features. He showed one, and I'm going to tell you how I ended up using it today to identify, where is the probably best idea. Now, of course, you need to do this yourself and take your own decisions. We don't really advise anything. But let me quickly show you what I did. So first thing, I opened a finance stock. I've been saying that banking is undervalued. I said, chalo, in financials, what is the most undervalued? Can I really do that looking at the peers, right? So this company is in finance. So I said, okay, let's do a peer comparison of financials. So I simply click on peer comparison. And there, yesterday during the live session, Chavan helped me create something known as Rohit, which is a custom comparison. Custom meaning we chose what we want to see, not the standard. So if I go to standard fundamentals, what does it actually show me? It shows me a series of numbers, right? Dividend yield, P ratio, so on. Okay, these are nice to know. But where is this historical valuation in terms of standard deviation, right? Is it overvalued, undervalued? And where is the RMI? Is it giving me a buy signal or sell signal? Exactly what we try to teach you, right? In the entire program yesterday. So he made me create a custom comparison which had data that we would want to see. What is that data? I want to know what is the valuation on standard deviations. I want to know what is the RMI signal. So therefore, I just clicked on this and that sort of sorted it in order, descending order, ascending order of the valuation. So all the undervalued stocks are on top, overvalued are at the bottom. Okay. So by doing simply clicking on this, you can get the ones which are minus on top and the ones which are on plus on at the bottom. And that ended up giving me this entire series. So these are probably the undervalued stocks. There's one here between -1 and 2. That's Bajaj Finance. So we can include that as well. So let me click on this. Okay, so once I have these open, I can either look at the historical PE or historical price to book. Price to book is easier if certain stocks are loss making, usually for financials, and therefore you can see that the valuation for all of these has been dropping irrespective of what price may have been doing. But then what is the technical setup, right? So I want to see what is the technical setup. So I end up looking at, okay, what is Bajaj Finance? It's weekly sell, monthly sell. What is this? This is sell, sell. There's a buy here on the weekly in M&M Finance, and then there's a buy on the monthly and weekly RMI in Shriram, right? Now this is of course a mutual fund, right? Shriram MF may be listed. So I simply clicked on this and it ends up opening Shriram Financials right here. Okay, separately. So Shriram Finance Limited, that is what I ended up opening. Simply looking at the peer comparison. And what do I really see here? First of all, if I end up looking at price, okay, so if I look at the chart, I find a stock which has been going up for quite a while, so the first thought that will come to your mind, if it's been going up for a while, that means it must be overvalued, right? Price has already gone up. This is not the time to probably, enter this stock, but it's moved like from 1100 to 3. That's a threefold move recently. Okay, almost 3, actually less than threefold, but I'm slightly exaggerating. If I take it right at the bottom here, maybe it's close to threefold. But when we look at the valuation, okay, so I went to fundamental valuation and I opened the market cap to sales. Where is it? It's slightly below the mean. But what if I go to price to book? That is what we were really looking at. Oops, it's even below the mean. Now, what if we look at the P ratio? It's also there, right down there, right? So none of them are even above the mean. They're close to -1 standard deviation in terms of valuation. So why is this happening? Why is it that this number has not only gone up here, attempted to go up, but it's down here? Like, means that numbers may be better than price action, right? Which means price action is not catching numbers. So that is sort of what is happening. What should you do? Should price action actually catch up with numbers? Yes, no. Is that what is happening as prices are rising? Should you invest in it? These are the questions you will answer. I will not answer them because, like I said, we are not investment advisors. But what Strike can help you do is find such ideas very, very quickly, just like I've just shown you. So this is a quick way of doing it. As we get more and more such quick filters and systems into it, you should be able to bring out your best ideas based on what setup you want to see. You want to look as a combination of fundamentals and technicals. And I don't think you'll find this anywhere else on any other platform. So get right there, sign up now if you haven't done it already, start using it for free 7-day free trial. And then look at the throwaway price, that you really get something which is so interactive and can be useful in your investment decision making. Thank you.